Are you ready to demystify the world of investing and take control of your financial future? In this video, we're diving into the top 10 lessons from the Bogleheads Guide to Investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this book offers valuable insights into building a successful investment strategy. Get ready to unravel the secrets of low-cost indexing, asset allocation, and long-term wealth accumulation. So grab your notepad and let's embark on a journey towards financial independence. Welcome to the realm of smart investing and wealth creation. Are you tired of the complexities and uncertainties of the stock market? The Bogleheads Guide to Investing is your roadmap to success. Today, we're diving straight into the top 10 lessons from this investment masterpiece. Get ready to equip yourself with the knowledge and strategies to navigate the investing landscape and achieve your financial goals. Lesson 1. Embrace simplicity with index funds. The Bogleheads Guide to Investing advocates for the simplicity and effectiveness of index funds. Discover the power of low-cost, passively managed funds that aim to replicate the performance of an entire market index. Understand how index funds provide broad diversification, minimize fees, and offer solid long-term returns. By embracing index funds, you can take advantage of the market's overall growth and reduce the risk associated with individual stock selection. Lesson 2. Stay the course with long-term investing. Successful investing requires a long-term perspective. The Bogleheads Guide emphasizes the importance of staying the course and not succumbing to market fluctuations or short-term noise. Understand the benefits of a disciplined investment approach, where you resist the temptation to make frequent changes based on market volatility. By maintaining a long-term mindset, you can harness the power of compounding and maximize your investment returns over time. Lesson 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is a key principle of risk management. The Bogleheads Guide highlights the significance of diversifying your investment portfolio across various asset classes. Explore the benefits of diversification by spreading your investments across stocks, bonds, international markets, and other asset categories. By diversifying, you reduce the risk associated with any single investment and increase your chances of achieving consistent returns. Lesson 4. Understand your risk tolerance. Investing involves risks, and it's essential to understand your risk tolerance. The Bogleheads Guide emphasizes the importance of aligning your investment strategy with your risk tolerance. Assess your ability to tolerate market volatility and determine an asset allocation that matches your risk appetite. By understanding your risk tolerance, you can create a balanced portfolio that allows you to sleep well at night, even during market downturns. Lesson 5. Minimize costs with low-cost investing. Fees can eat into your investment returns, making it crucial to minimize costs. The Bogleheads Guide sheds light on the impact of fees and recommends adopting a low-cost investing approach. Lesson 6. Harness the power of asset allocation. Asset allocation is a key driver of portfolio performance. The Bogleheads Guide emphasizes the significance of creating a well-balanced asset allocation that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Understand the principles of allocating your investments across different asset classes based on their expected returns and correlations. By crafting a strategic asset allocation, you can optimize your portfolio's performance and minimize risk. Lesson 7. Avoid market timing and speculation. The Bogleheads Guide warns against the perils of market timing and speculation. Trying to predict short-term market movements is a risky game that often leads to poor investment decisions. Instead, focus on a buy and hold strategy based on a long-term investment horizon. Avoid chasing hot investment trends or succumbing to speculative behaviors. By staying disciplined and sticking to your investment plan, you can achieve consistent and reliable returns. Lesson 8. Educate yourself and seek knowledge. Investing is a lifelong journey of learning. The Bogleheads Guide encourages investors to educate themselves and seek knowledge about financial markets and investment strategies. Equip yourself with the necessary tools and information to make informed decisions. Read books, follow reputable financial websites, and join investment communities to broaden your understanding of investing. Lesson 9. Rebalance your portfolio periodically. Maintaining a balanced portfolio is crucial for long-term success. The Bogleheads Guide emphasizes the need to periodically rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your desired asset allocation. Regularly review your investments, assess their performance, and rebalance by selling or buying assets to restore your desired allocation. Rebalancing helps you maintain the risk, Return characteristics of your portfolio over time. Lesson 10. Seek professional advice when necessary. While individual investors can achieve success, there may be times when seeking professional advice is beneficial. The Bogleheads Guide recommends consulting a qualified financial advisor or planner when faced with complex investment decisions. A professional can provide valuable insights and help you tailor your investment strategy to your unique financial goals and circumstances. Now that you've gained valuable insights from the Bogleheads Guide to Investing, let's conclude with 3 actionable recommendations to enhance your personal finance journey. Actionable Recommendation 1. Start investing in index funds. Take immediate action by researching and investing in low-cost index funds that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Start building a diversified portfolio with a long-term perspective. Actionable Recommendation 2. Evaluate your portfolio's asset allocation. Assess your portfolio's asset allocation and ensure it aligns with your desired risk level and long-term goals. Adjust your investments as necessary to maintain a well-balanced and diversified portfolio. Actionable Recommendation 3. Educate yourself continuously. Commit to ongoing financial education and stay up to date with investment trends, strategies, and market developments. Read books, follow reputable financial sources, and participate in investment-related communities to enhance your knowledge. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to support our channel. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Remember, the Bogleheads Guide to Investing is a treasure trove of investment wisdom. Find the book in the description below to delve deeper into these valuable lessons. Until next time,